All right. The correction factor for AB, let's say hypothetically, will be whatever the sum is here based on the sum of the norths and the souths over the perimeter of the traverse multiplied by the distance of AB. Each one of these will have a different correction factor associated with it because this distance is different for each point from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and so on. This right here will stay the same for all the latitudes, but they will have different signs based on this portion right here, whichever one is greater or less. So when we have, in this case, we have the souths that are greater than the norths. That means if we want to balance it out, like weight, if we want to take a smaller value and make it heavier on one side, we take that away and then put the extra weight on the light side. So in this case, what we want to do is take any correction factor that has a south in it, which we established as D to E is a south, and E to A is a south. So we have two souths right there. Those will be associated with negatives. The rest will be associated with positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfect. You'll have 3 positives based on the norths needing to be increased. The souths will be decreased because of that. And from there, you take whatever value you have for the correction and associate that with the latitude that's already been determined. You decrease your latitude by that much, or you increase your latitude by that much. And the sum of that new corrected value should yield them equaling one another. You follow the same process for your departures, so your horizontal components. So all your easts should equal all the wests. You follow that process again, confirm that they're all equal to one another at the end, and then you follow suit from there.